Hey everyone, so I'm gonna be talking more about question two. I jotted down some pros and cons. First, we'll start with group decision making. Pros, there's more inputs, experiences, and knowledge to draw on if you're working in a group when making those decisions, um, which can be a big help. The more people you have, the more knowledge, the better decisions supposedly you're supposed to make. Uh, it makes tougher and larger workloads more manageable. This is another pro for group decisions. Yeah, when the workload or there's a ton of data or whatever that you got to get through, having more people can help you digest that faster. Another pro, more people, more possible solutions that they can come up with, basically. Another pro, possibly more accurate decision making because more people working on it. Uh, Group members can help out each other, so we can pick each other up when they're struggling. Something comes up, who knows what happens, life happens. We help each other out in groups. You can do that. Another one would be the responsibility falls on the group, not the individual. So kind of like before, we help each other out, and in a group that's easier to manage. But that one is also a con as well. The responsibility does fall on the group, not the individual. So if you have a few people or an individual dragging down the group, will also come back to the group because y'all are in a group. Cons, selfish people. People have the temptation to coast off of others. Slows down the decision making process when you have to discuss and talk to all the other different people. And because of that, it's harder. Also, another con is to choose a path. Like, you have all this information, all these different inputs, and now everybody wants to discuss them, but y'all can't seem to choose a path to go down because everybody has their own opinion or whatever. But that's another con to the group. For individual, it's easier to make decisions. You're only focusing on yourself, so you're like, I think this is the right path. Let's do it. You can explore any avenue you want instead of like what the group decides. You have more control. Faster decisions, not only easier to make decisions, but quicker decisions, whether right or wrong. Some for the cons, kind of all responsibility now falls on the individual. You don't have the backup of the group. So no help if you get stuck is another con. So those are the only ones I could think quickly of. And my level, I've been kind of like group leader and group worker, I guess you would put it, where it wasn't I wasn't in the position to make the decision, more to get the information, then we can make a decision. In the decision making process, when I was the leader, I guess I was just thinking back, I was just trying to listen to everybody, see what they want to do, and pick the best option, I guess, I could moving forward. So those are really my experiences and my participation level. Yeah, so thanks.